Versailles for 1 hour for 38 euros.
Oui, Hugo, c'est mouillé.
We're going in the back, Carter.
Yeah. You excited?
Yes.
Okay. Oh yes, there it is.
Yeah, that's
Perfect.
there.
This palace is known for its lush gardens and fountains. Now, this palace has 55 pools and fountains, and it has 600 water features. And it's gorgeous because every single day, morning, afternoon, and night, they put on water fountain shows with these water fountains.
The other side.
Marie Antoinette was King Louis XVI's wife, and this is where she lived. Growing up in Vienna, Austria, Queen Marie Antoinette had 10 sisters and 4 brothers. And she was sent off to marry King Louis. That one's my favorite. I like the ones that just look small.